Hello, this is Paul with Isopods and More, and today I want to talk about the terrarium out in the living room. A couple days ago, I went by it and I saw that there were some mushroom caps on the right side of the terrarium. And I thought, oh, they look really cool. So I did a little bit of research, made sure that, mushrooms growing in your terrarium isn't a bad thing. The consensus is that no, you have healthy soil. So it means that you're doing something right. So I didn't think much of it. The following day, the mushrooms were gone. And I thought, is my frog eating? Is F1 eating these mushrooms? I, I'm relatively new to dart frogs, so this was a little bit concerning for me because now I'm starting to think, wait a second, is it healthy if the dart frog's eating it? Well, as it turns out, the dart frog was not eating them. Uh, a week later, I have walked by and I see there's mushrooms everywhere. So now I really have to go and find out what kind they are. And it turns out they're what's called Parasola plicatilis. It's commonly referred to as Pleated Inkcap. So what happens is these mushrooms or this fungi uh, grows and sticks around for a day, spreads its spores, and then basically disappears. So that's what happened here. So now I have a lot of these. So I took a video of it today just to give you an idea of what it might look like when your terrarium starts to get taken over by mushrooms. So let's take a look at what you've been waiting for. Thank you for watching my video. Please remember to like and subscribe down below.